Ever wondered how you can send money to your loved ones overseas quickly and conveniently? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Paysend, a popular platform for international money transfers. But before you start sending, there's one crucial question: what documents do you need? Think of it like boarding a plane. You need certain documents to prove your identity and eligibility for travel. Similarly, Paysend has its own set of requirements to ensure a smooth and secure transaction. So, let's get started and explore the essential documents you'll need to use Paysend. Proof of identity. National ID cards. This is the most common document. It could be your driver's license, passport, or national identity card. Other acceptable documents. In some cases, you might also be able to use a voter's ID card or a military ID. Key points. Ensure your ID is valid and not expired. Make sure the photo on your ID matches your current appearance. Proof of address. Utility bills. This could be your electricity, gas, or water bill. Bank statements. Your recent bank statements can also serve as proof of address. Government-issued documents. Documents like your tax returns or vehicle registration can also be used. Key points. The address on the document should match the address you've provided to Paysend. Ensure the document is recent, ideally within the last 3 months. Additional documents for certain transactions. Source of funds. If you're sending a large amount of money, you might need to provide documentation to prove the source of your funds. This could be bank statements, salary slips, or business records. Business registration. If you're sending money on behalf of a business, you'll need to provide proof of business registration. Key points. Paysend will inform you if additional documents are required based on your transaction. Be prepared to provide any requested documents promptly. Verification process. Identity verification. Paysend will verify your identity using the documents you've provided. Document checks. They will check the authenticity and validity of your documents. Additional checks. In some cases, they might conduct additional checks, such as calling you to verify your identity. Key points. The verification process can take a few minutes or up to a few days. Be patient and cooperate with the verification process. Tips for a smooth experience. Prepare documents in advance. Having your documents ready before you start the transaction will save you time. Ensure document quality. Make sure your documents are clear, legible, and in good condition. Follow instructions carefully. Pay close attention to Paysend's instructions and provide the required information accurately. Contact support if needed. If you have any questions or encounter issues, don't hesitate to contact Paysend's customer support. So, there you have it. The essential documents you'll need to use Paysend. By preparing these documents in advance and following the verification process, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience when sending money internationally. Ready to start sending money with Paysend? Visit their website or download their app today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.